Smoking causes cancer. Smoking kills. Liquor drinking is injurious to health.
What a crowd, man. It looks like they're giving it away for free.
Our society does not have a sense of purpose. This long queue is
That's
a
right.
proof for
Everybody has come with one purpose. To lose their senses.
Yeah, I got the stuff.
Yes,
Come, let's go. Listen, let me tell you something. This won't go on for a long time.
What?
This drinking business.
Why not? Do you have liver cirrhosis?
Your father has liver cirrhosis. I work hard for the money.
Oh.
I stand in the queue. I buy the booze and you guys happily drink it. This won't go on. This definitely won't go on for long. That is what I said. Did you understand?
Let my site click first. Then I'm going to buy cases of bottles.
For that it should click first, no? You change the name of the site from Kerala Diaries to Kerala Aunties. Then first change the pictures of temples and elephants and put up pictures of hot shower scenes and porn clips of aunties. Then your site will click.
Hey Rayas, cool down man. If my father wasn't a priest, then I would have stood in the queue. If people coming to the temple see me outside the liquor shop, then it's going to be very embarrassing for me and my
So
dad.
the son of a priest and son of retired village officer can have alcohol every day.
Yes, we do.
I am a Muslim boy. Still I stand in the queue to get liquor for you. Look at these decent faces.
Other than drinking, what else can we do?
There, she's also gone. I tried really hard to hook up with this girl. She wants me to pick her up in a car. Now, even that hookup has come to an end.
Look here, Vivek. Either you have to have a car, else you should be good looking. Without either of them, it's a tough task.
As if you have both. Cheers.
Cheers.
This just increased my appetite. The booze really did not give me a high at all.
How much money do we have now?
Not a single penny.
Just think about it. You'll get high.
That's how you do it. No wonder. You take this Lucy cycle. I don't want to pedal that one.
Hey Vivek, make sure you bring the cycle by 7 in the morning tomorrow. The customer will be here in the morning itself.
Okay, dude.
Okay, let's go. What sort of
What kind
cycle
of
is this,
cycle
man?
is
What
this?
is this? Don't you even know how to ride?
You have reached. Listen. Rafiq's wife asked me if I can go work in their house.
And what did you tell her?
I said I won't come.
Why not?
I'm not going to be a maid anymore. After your father left us, I worked in houses and raised you up. Now you work and look after me.
So am I not taking care of you now?
That's right. But if I go to work, then you will spend all your money on alcohol. That's why I'm not going.
Okay, whatever, just give me food.
You had booze today?
Yeah.
Go on with your stupid friends and filthy habits.
Can you shut up?
Oh, you came? Why do you chew on that leaf every day?
Do you know that chewing that leaf is good for health?
I'm hearing this for the first time. You drink this, dear.
Celebrity guest.
Mom and dad have slept?
Of course they slept. Don't you know father has to go to the temple in the morning?
Then give me some food.
You sit down. Why do you always want to hang out at the Riya's shop? Can't you come home at a decent hour?
What do I do? Instead of studying for fire and safety, I could have done some business.
Don't you know what a tough time father had to educate you? To top it all, he is still paying the interest on the 1 lakh rupees he had taken for your Gulf visa. Poor man.
Do you have to talk about this when I'm meeting?
Hmm.
Come on, give me some more beef fry.
Riaz, good
Hi.
morning.
What is it, manager? You're early today?
I was waiting for Riaz. There's no air in my tires. Could you please fill it for me?
Why not?
Riaz, why are you so late to open today?
Yeah, I was a bit late. What happened, manager? Is there a guest at resort?
Yeah, there are some North Indian guests today. There's already a girl who's hooked. I've promised her to show all the waterfalls.
And did she say she'll come?
Then why not?
Oh.
I'll show her the waterfalls as well as the soul of the forest.
Manager, sir, you're so lucky. I am destined to fill up air like this.
But Riaz, there are a lot of moral police in this state. These guys are a big nuisance. The moment I remove this helmet, they will be behind me. Nuisance. Okay then. I'm a little busy. We'll see later.
Carry on, carry on.
Oh crap, today also I'm going to get it from him. Riaz, mom's back pain has gotten worse. I'm just giving a stream to reduce the pain. I'll come right now. Okay. Mother, this has turned cold.
It's because you were busy, no? Then it will get cold only. If you want, you drink and get out.
Oh my god. Where is this Vivek?
Is the cycle ready?
Cycle is ready, but...
Then what but? Give me the cycle. I have to go for work. It's already late.
Brother, shall we have a tea? I have given the cycle for a test drive. Is that a problem?
Riaz, I told you no, I need it in the morning itself. I got to get to work.
Get on you. I'll deal with you later, you donkey.
I told you mother
Don't
had a back
speak,
pain.
you-
Hey, there is no air in the tire. When I rode it over the gutters in the road, the tire and the tube all are gone. Now you can change the customer when you replace this. Eh? I can do only this much for you.
Okay, get it all changed. I'm not gonna give you a penny. Left over in the evening. Now I'm going. Because of you guys, I lose my job.
What is his job?
He is a butcher.
Oh.
What happened? He doesn't want the cycle?
Did you see the condition of the wheel? Will someone with conscience pedal the cycle and bring it? I'm not surprised. The first person to begin my sales was that manager from the resort. Even today, he is taking a guest to show them waterfalls.
Oh no, we can't let him go on like this.
I can't bear this anymore. All these immigrants are getting lucky while we are all sitting here.
Okay, leave that aside. But I dare you if you take any vehicle from here.
What is this? Vivek?
Hey, actually,
Don't utter a word. Because of you, people swear at me. If you open your mouth, it's a trouble for me.
I'll take this.
How dare you say this?
Careful.
May God bless us, madam.
May God be with you now and always, boys.
Oh, Jesus, save everybody.
How long since you have fever?
1 week.
1 week. How long since you have fever?
1 week, sister.
1 week?
Ah,
Oh. Sushila is here. Sister, give Sushila her medicines. You can go inside.
Sister, I don't have the money for the medicine now.
That's okay. Just take these medicines for the moment. I'll put the money. Don't worry.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you.
Damn, the net is very slow.
Have you paid the bill for this? If you have not, then we don't have
What
to
a
wait.
knowledge. Nobody insisting, you can go.
I'm just kidding. Why are you taking it so seriously? We can wait here.
Really?
Huh?
How do we go to the waterfalls?
Keep going straight this way.
Just straight.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, what dress she is wearing? How can we not be abuser?
And if we even touch her, then it's made into abuse, police case. Why all the trouble? Is it necessary for us?
Let's make do with the video. Riaz, almost ready.
Yeah.
Come. At least we have this. Looks like a family movie. No scope for any action.
Just wait. It takes time. Have a look. He has started. Start recording. Take it.
Yeah, they've started. Come on, start recording.
Keep quiet.
Move a bit closer.
Shut up,
Man, I'm taking it, right?
Look at us. We are destined only to record it and see.
There are so many of them who don't even get to do that. Come. Let's follow
Leave it,
them.
man. Come here. I have to tell you something.
What happened
What
to him,
happened
man?
to him?
Listen, somehow we need to pick up a girl.
We don't have money. No money, no woman.
Then let's pay for it, man.
Where do we have that kind of money?
All that I'll arrange. But how do we do this, man?
I will get that done. There is nothing that you cannot find on the net.
Then you search for it and ask him how much it'll cost. We'll take care of rest. What do you say?
Hey, Riaz, will this surely work? Don't tempt me unnecessarily.
Let's try for it, man. But first let him look for a pimp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, come.
I hope something will come out of this. How long do we have to wait?
Hey, isn't that the manager's bike?
What?
We should teach him a lesson. Without the helmet, he won't take the girl out anyway.
He won't. Then let him be
No
here.
two ways about it.
Let them be here. Where the hell is Vivek?
He would not have woken up.
He doesn't sleep in the night. By the time he's done with chatting and cheating, the night is over and he sleeps in the morning.
And is it of some use? Not even that.
Hey, Susila is here. There was a time when people spotted guys' footwear at a doorstep. They would just stay away. That's how huge-hearted she and her customers were. Do you believe it?
That was a time. Sounds like a self-contented society.
What the hell? You won't even spare a 60-year-old Sushil also.
There are only 3 people in this world who have left her
Who is
alone.
that?
We 3.
Then your father also?
Forget it. Did you get anyone's number? Tell me that first.
I have got one.
Really?
Then what are you waiting for? Call him, man.
The site says his name is Christy.
Then ask him if he is Christy the pimp. Then we can be sure, no?
Okay.
Hello, this is Christy. What? You got the number from the net? Oh, okay. The program is very good. Just 10,000 rupees. That includes everything. It includes room rent, soft drinks, small snacks, everything. That's fine. When are you coming?
He's asking when are you coming?
Tell him we'll come next week.
We'll come next week. Same day, 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Sounds like a decent man. Respectful.
Hmm.
If I had a sister, I'll give him as a
That's
wife.
right. Both the brother-in-laws will be a perfect match. Both of you should not be let into the house.
Thank you.
Then today is a very happy day. We should celebrate. What all you say?
Yes.
Definitely, man.
Yes.
If things go the way we have planned, then next week we'll have a blast.
It will happen. Or we will make it happen. Why you have doubts?
I have my doubts regarding the money, man.
There are about 4-5 cycles here for which the owner has not come yet. We will sell those.
What if the owners come for
That
it?
is when they come. Let's see then.
There are few utensils in the temple that I have set my eyes on. We can sell those also.
Good idea. But we are still short of money.
Then why don't we sell your laptop? How is that?
How could you say that? That's my livelihood.
Sell it for the time being. Once your online business prosper, we'll buy another one.
Shall we sell it? Let's make this happen first.
But I don't think we'll have enough money even after that.
We will find some way for that. First, finish your drinks. If that girl is charging 10,000 rupees, she must have one hell of a body, right?
For sure. We'll all have a blast.
Listen, I have a laptop to sell. Do you buy?
Show me. Let me see.
It's HP.
Show me.
How much will I get?
Around 3,000.
Okay, give it.
Lift it. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, keep it here.
Do we have
Hold on. I've got something here. You guys wait here, okay? I'll just come.
Rubber sheet?
Don't want? Take it.
Dump it, man. How do you manage to find stuff barely worth?
We still don't have enough money. No problem. I have something in mind for tomorrow.
Switch on the headlight, man.
Oh, I forgot.
Don't let the goat make any
Hey,
noise.
come soon, man.
Okay.
Come here. This way.
Cover its mouth.
Don't make noise, okay?
Did you get it?
Yeah. Finally, we are also going to make wrong turns in our life.
We won't take any wrong turns. Christy has given the right route.
By the way, this Christy will be there, right?
Of course. He's already waiting for us there.
Okay. Brother, please drop us here. How much is it?
50 rupees.
Here.
I think he's Christy. Based on the direction, this is the right house. Do you know
the
Christy
guy
here?
called Christy?
Wow, we are also looking for
Is it
him.
so? Then I am the person whom you are searching for.
Then
Hi.
why did you ask us?
You need this kind of techniques to withstand in this field, buddy. Hope you had a good trip to here, buddy. Then come in. It's
Okay.
getting late. Come, keep the gate closed.
Who are these people?
I told you about the party who will come. They are
Ah,
them.
All three of them?
Yeah.
Come on, come inside. Then I'll be there at the barber shop.
Okay.
You can give my share there. Okay?
Sure.
Carry on then.
Brother,
Yeah.
who was that person?
Him? He's the husband of the women whom you're going to see now.
The husband?
He's very strict with the money. Come inside. It's already getting late.
Come, come.
Please come.
Sit down. What are your names?
I am Riaz.
My name is Krishna Kumar.
I am Vivek. First time, madam. Hello.
Don't have the habit of disturbing in the middle. Still, I want to say something. Things to be fast in here. What? Time is money, isn't it?
Of course. Let's not delay any further.
If you can give my payment, I can leave from here. I have some other
Okay.
work to do, isn't it?
Here.
Yeah. It's okay. Who is the needy person here? For 10,000, only one person can have. Yeah.
Don't say that, brother. All three of us are in very much need.
How is it possible? For 30,000 for 3 people.
What, 30,000 rupees?
Yes.
Huh?
Hey, Vivek, what is this guy saying, man?
I don't understand either.
Brother, we have only 10,000 rupees. That's what you asked for, right?
Me.
Huh?
One person is 10,000 rupees.
But we thought it's for 3 people.
Can you please adjust, brother? No, not you. Ask her to adjust, please.
No. I don't like all
but
these things.
it-
We won't allow the market to come down.
Christy, you just ended up wasting my time. Where did you find these beggars?
Please don't get upset. Only we know how we managed to get this 10,000 rupees. Kindly cooperate with us, please.
I already said no.
Please, sister, can't you please adjust?
What nonsense? Tell them to get lost.
Please don't
Hey,
leave, sister.
if you touch me, I'll file a
But,
case on you for abusing me.
Put it down, man.
Take it.
What is this, brother? This is only 2,000 rupees.
That's right. I don't have to give this itself to you. But I felt bad for you guys. Room rent, waiting charge, snacks and etc. You have to give the money back.
Then maybe you can keep this 2,000. Let us get something else.
Don't waste my time and get out from here.
Huh?
Or else I'll call the police now.
Come, let's go. I need to get my laptop back.
Hey, Riaz.
Huh? Huh?
Riaz. Wait
Here
there.
comes the next trouble.
Where were you guys?
That is, we had to go to the town for an emergency.
How did it go?
Went exceptionally well.
Then I want to fix this cycle. Will you be able to do it?
Why would you ask me such a question? Fixing cycle is my job, right?
I didn't mean it like that. I bought this from Thailand, so I wanted to be sure.
Why would you go all the way to Thailand to buy a cycle? When you can get the very best in India itself.
What do you know about the world beyond, you idiots? Why do people go to Thailand?
To buy cycle?
People go to Thailand for miscellaneous needs. But to cover that up with wives, we come back with cycle, computers, laptops, etc. That's it.
So all that we heard about Thailand
What?
is true. Is it sex tourism?
Definitely. You can get any girl in the red street there for only 500 rupees.
Only 500? Really?
Yes, of course.
Please don't make fool of us. Just for 500 you've done everything?
Dear boys, that is the speciality of Red Street. You get best quality for cheap price. When the supply is more than the demand, they can hike the price. Here, look at this.
What's on earth?
You lucky rascal. Wish I was born in Bangkok.
That's right.
Here,
Phew.
you get the cycle fixed.
Huh?
I'll come back
Yeah,
later. to
I'll
make
fix it for you.
Give me my mobile back. Right.
I'll keep it ready for you.
Somehow we should go to Bangkok.
Will you shut up? We still haven't recovered from our last
Hey,
visit.
don't be negative.
Yeah, let's wait for some time.
Listen, bro.
No. That's not the point. We have to protest against this. Comrade Raghavan, you must have understood what I'm saying. For tomorrow's protest, we need maximum number of people.
It's all right, brother.
Hmm.
But the party is looking only into political issues right now. People already have the complaints against the party.
People say a lot of things. Hey, Vivek, come here.
Huh?
It's not right that you guys keep walking around without giving us any support. Shouldn't there be a sense of unity?
Dear Sadasivam, we don't have time for all of this.
You should find time. Tomorrow afternoon, there is a protest for the Chief Minister to resign in front of the Taluk office. You all should take part.
My dear comrade, please organize a protest asking for Red Street here. We will all come.
Oh my god. What are you guys saying? How can this be the agenda of a party? Whatever it is, tomorrow we'll talk about it. Let's go.
How jobless people are.
Or then why can't we demand a red street and do the protesting against? Then youngsters will join us.
You just shut up and walk, man. Come up with all the unnecessary things.
From all this, one thing is for sure. Nobody is going to give us anything for free. Like the comrade said, we will have to fight for it. No woman will willingly come to us. Whatever we need, we have to take by force only.
Exactly what I was thinking. Without force, no woman is going to let us.
What are you guys getting at? That we should rape?
Ah,
The cops will break our bones if we get caught. And that's the end of my Dubai dreams.
If we get caught, we'll all go to jail with pride. And that would be better than this life.
do you really think cops get hold of all the guys who commit rape?
If that manager brings a female ever again to the forest, we will take her.
What will we do with the manager? That's very risky. We can't handle two people. Let's not do that, Riaz.
What if a woman comes alone in the forest? Huh?
Who is that?
There is someone. I will tell you everything in detail later. If it's her, no one will know about it.
Stop building the suspense and tell me who it is.
Please have some patience. Wait for today. I'll show her in person tomorrow. Let's leave now. Come. She'll come now.
Oh, come on, Vivek. Are you testing my patience? For a long time, you've been saying that she will come, she will come. Tell us exactly when.
It's not me who is coming. You have to wait.
At least tell us who she is. Stop wasting our time.
Look, there she is.
Hey Vivek, you're truly great, man.
What's your name?
Hari Prasad,
Hari. How old are you?
38.
38. How long have you had this gastric problem?
Almost 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Have you had any medicines in this while?
I'm taking.
You are having. Anita?
Yes?
I'm leaving.
Okay, sister.
Hey, go. Okay. Sister? Sister?
Hmm?
Sister, I can't move my neck. Would you please take a
Oh
look?
my god, Teresa's sister has left.
I can't bear this pain, sister. Please do something.
I don't know to treat good.
That's okay. If you have anything that could relieve the pain, please apply it for me, sister.
Okay, let me see. Please sit here. Don't worry, it'll be all right. Tomorrow Teresa's sister will be here. You better come.
Okay, sister. How much should I pay you?
Oh, that's okay. You can leave. It's already late. I have to reach the convent before it's dark.
Okay.
What happened? Is it okay?
Everything is okay. I have delayed her as much as possible. She'll come in 5 minutes.
Then let's not waste time. Come, we'll go.
Come. Come.
Come on.
Hey guys, do you think this will work?
This will work, man.
What happened, Riaz?
Vivek, hold her! Catch her!
Stop right there. I said stop.
Come on, guys, lift her. Move, don't move. Stop struggling. Hey, careful, this way. Let's go. Don't shout. Come, bring her there. Hey, shut up. Don't shout. Hey, shut up.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Hey.
Come. Take it. I said, come and take it. Come. I won't give it to you if you don't come. Come. Come here. Don't be shy. Come. Come on. Come on, take it. Don't you want it? Yeah, that's right.
Oh, Jesus. What happened to this child? Jesus Christ. May God bless you, Father.
May God bless us now and forever. Why are you here at this time of the night?
There has been an emergency. I had to come in the night, Father.
Please tell me what happened.
Someone has hurt our sister Anita. What should we do now, Father?
What Anita needs now is rest and proper care. Ensure that is done for now.
Anita, what happened to you, my child? Whatever it is, you can tell me. Tell me, Anita. Tell me who hurt you. Whoever it is, would you just tell me? Why are you so quiet? Please say something, child. Where did you go from the clinic? Whom did you go with? You will have to say something, child. After I left the clinic, what happened there? I need to know that. I have to know.
Hey Riaz, will we get into any trouble?
What? How the hell do I know?
If she goes and gives complaint, then police will catch us.
Oh, come on, man. Shut the trap. She won't go to the police.
If she does, we're better off dead. We have offended the church. That's what I'm worried about.
Whatever. Even if we get caught, I have already sold the video off to the porn site.
What the hell did you do, man?
Uh-huh. Like a saint. It's not as pathetic as raping a woman.
I have no idea what to do. This is just freaking me out.
Don't think anything. Nothing is gonna happen. Let's just leave. Phew.
It's time for the mass. Where is Anita? Then let me go and call her.
No,
Okay.
let's not disturb her.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, where are you, man?
Listen, I just came to my aunt's house. I didn't have time to tell you as this was an emergency for me.
I'd also called Vivek. He also switched off his phone.
Really? Don't get me wrong. I think it's better even if you moved for a few days.
I see. So you guys deliberately plan to stay away, is it? Okay then.
Bro,
Hmm?
the chain is broken. Can you fix it?
Okay. You can sit inside.
Do you watch that Sentence Convent Nuns video?
No.
It's awesome. You want to see it.
Wow, it's
Huh.
good, man.
This one.
What a figure.
Move your hand.
It's done. You can come and check it.
You can come and take a ride to check if you want.
As you wish.
Bro, have you checked out our nuns video? Dude, just show to him. I told you yesterday that I had it and you didn't believe me.
He will be very happy. Who gave it to you?
That nun is super hot, man. Thank you, bro.
Hello.
Hey Riaz, it's me, Krishna Kumar.
You're calling to check if you're in trouble, isn't it? But when I call you, your mobiles will be switched off. I'm not in a mood to talk to you right now. Just get lost.
Riaz, it's not like that.
What
man.
is not like that? Tell that idiot that his video has reached every single guy in this town. When the cops will catch us, he can answer for that as well.
Do you think that nobody is there to ask against you anything?
What is it, Varghese? What happened?
Oh, you want to know what happened? Look here, don't try to make me a fool here. She has spoiled the reputation of the society, but still keeping her in a convent.
Whom are you talking about, Varghese?
I will show the video of the person, then you will understand who it is.
Jesus Christ.
Sister Anita should be sent out. Keep the church higher, or we'll take everything in our hand.
Varghese, please be patient. We will take care of things ourselves.
What is it? What happened, Teresa?
Things are getting worse day by day, father. I can't even go to the clinic anymore.
Tell me what happened.
There is a video of Anita which has spread out among everybody. That Varghese came to the clinic and created a scene today. He is demanding us to expel Anita from the convent.
Expel her? Then where will she go? Anita has got no father and mother. We know that very well.
But father, don't you think the video will be a problem?
What video? Have you seen it, Teresa? I haven't seen it either. We don't have to trust what we have not seen. And for the same reason, I would like to believe that there is no such video. You can leave now, Teresa. Nothing will happen.
Oh, sister, I didn't know which clip was it going to be. This was forwarded from a random number. I don't even know who. I swear I just opened it. Sister, please forgive me. Forgive me, sister.
Hey Riaz, I'm not able to find all your buddies here.
They had to leave somewhere due to an emergency.
Important work. But still, they are not going to go for a job. When will they come?
They'll be back in a couple of days.
Hey, Riaz.
Yes.
Can you come for a minute?
Why did you guys even come back? You should have settled down wherever you went, no?
Sorry, Riaz. At that point of time, I felt it was right to do. I was the one who told him to move from here.
Then why did you come back now?
One of his friends found out that she has not complained to the police.
That's nice. All of us got into a trouble and finally you guys left me out.
I have been telling from the beginning she won't lodge a complaint. She didn't even see us properly. Then how will she?
I am damn sure that she has seen all three of us. That too very clearly.
Then she must have lost her memory. Probably that's why she's not even made a complaint. In any case, we are safe now. Thank God. You saved us.
Riaz, happened is happened. We didn't tell you that we are leaving. But what is this? But I'm very sure you won't come with us. Otherwise, tell me now. Will you come? Will you?
Hey, what the hell do you think you're doing here? What are you watching?
Nothing. I'm waiting for someone.
Do you have to stand here and wait? Get lost. Get lost. Go away from here. Go. Go,
Where
man.
does this guy come?
These guys won't let us have a decent life with our families.
What's the problem?
Nothing. And you also have to dry clothes only in the front,
Oh,
is
that
it?
is the problem now?
What happened, Anita? The result is positive. She's pregnant.
Don't worry about anything. All problems have solutions. I will take care of everything. You be at peace. Christ.
Hey, Riaz, close the shop now. Let's go to the forest and drink. Come.
Hey, just come, man.
You guys go ahead. I have some work here.
You're still pissed with us, is it?
I don't have any issue with you. I have some work, that's all.
You already know this. Even when my travel agent keeps putting off my trip to Dubai by a month or two, my father keeps paying the interest for the loan that he had taken from my travel. It's his fate that I will get a job and earn a lot, which keeps him going, and that's me. That me had abused and raped a woman, if the cops would have caught me, then my family would have committed suicide. That I cannot tolerate it anymore. We left because we were very scared. Why didn't you understand that? I didn't think of anything when I did the ruthless thing. Hereafter, I will never ever utter a single harsh word to any woman in my life. It's a goddess that my father prays to every day that saved my life. Otherwise, we would be rotting in the jail by now.
What are you talking about? What are you saying has happened here? It's true. I left town for few days. But I told you she will not lodge a complaint. Everything worked out pretty well. If I can get it again, more than willing to do it again. Come on, Riaz. We have full bottle of booze to finish.
I told you once that I'm not coming.
Anita, let's go for a walk. We have to look at the big picture here. And that's why the only reason I'm asking you this. Let's get this aborted. It's just my love for you, Anita, that's making me say this.
Isn't abortion a sin, sister?
Then what can we do for you?
Even I don't like this to happen this way. Everything will happen according to the Lord's wish. If there is a life inside me, I'll give birth to it. I know I can't continue as a nun anymore here. I will not let you get embarrassed. Let everything be God's wish.
Sit down. How are things there? Things in the clinic is going well, right?
That's going good, father. If only you could tell me how to deal with Anita's issues. I asked her to abort, but she's not at all listening me. Please tell me, what should we do about this?
I can't think of an answer right now. You can leave now, Teresa. Let me pray for some time. Let God tell us a solution.
Why is she walking in this dress?
They must have kicked her out of the church.
Now the society will take care of her.
Hmm.
See the way she's going. Why do you want to stare at her? Just go and ask her what you want. Useless lady, spoiling the reputation of the church. We'll see how she's going to live in this village.
It's not enough that you buy the medicines from here. You need to take them on time. Only then it will work, okay?
sister.
Why did you come here, Anita?
Where else can I go, sister? Can you allow me to work here at least?
I think you know very well that these things are not decided by me. I have been advised to take only that sister's help here. Before you are taking a decision, Anita, you should have thought everything. You are the one who brought this upon yourself.
Sister, what mistake did I do? Isn't abortion a sin? You are encouraging it. Isn't that a sin?
I don't want people seeing you here. Please leave, Anita.
Could you at least give me some space to spend the night?
Do you think I am running a lodge here? Stop wasting my time and just leave.
You don't worry. You come to my house. I have place for one person in my house. Come, child. Come with me. Child, this is my home. Facilities are very less. There you're seeing some cows and chickens. From that only I'm getting my bread and butter. Till when you want, you can stay here. Feel like this is your home. Why you're crying like this? You feel bad to stay in this poor house?
I don't have anyone, Sushila.
I also don't have anyone. You don't worry. Come, let's go inside.
Sushila. Sushila. Sushila.
Who came in this time? Huh. Why you came in this time?
Sushila sister, I heard you bought a new item. I heard that, so I came. Can I come in now? What's the rate?
I have given place for a pregnant lady. For you people, I'm not keeping a prostitute here. Do you understand that?
Come on. If you want more money, tell me. I have something for pregnant women now.
Chee! Get lost, you beggar! If you stand here, I will kill you now.
Okay, then I'll go and come later.
One person have come to knock my door after 15 years now. You don't have to worry about all this. You come and sleep. Come on.
When did you wake up, Sushila?
I have got up long back. When I saw you were sleeping deeply. That's why I don't want to wake you up.
I was laying awake all the night. Couldn't sleep. I had dozens of dreams all the night. You always get up early?
This is my usual schedule. If I get up in the early morning only, I can finish off all my work. After that only I can cash all this, right? But nowadays I can't walk and do all this work. My body is fully paining.
Then let me take the eggs to the market. You need not struggle when you're not well.
No need. If you go there, they will talk bad about you because they are all worse people over there. You don't need to go.
Will you please move? I will take it. How can we live if we have to fear everyone? Please move now.
What can I say the way things work out? It's amazing where you ended up. I heard Sushila is back in business. Is it true?
Then why do you have to take the pain of bringing these eggs? You need to have something called as a job when people ask, right?
Either ways, the business is selling eggs.
Where is Sushila?
Sushila is not well.
People will say anything. You don't worry about anything. Whatever you want, Varghese is there for you. I'm genuinely asking you. Who is the one who raped you? Whoever is there, tell us.
What will you do if I tell you, brother? Brother, I can see a rapist in every man. It comes out sometimes through the way you look or the way you speak or in the things you do. The entire town knows that I was abused. So I am not at least bothered about anyone anymore. I will take everyone's name if I have to do. Please take the eggs and return the basket to go.
What happened to you, Riaz? I've been watching you.
What we did is the biggest sin, man.
What did we do to her?
Whatever cruelty we did to that nun, only if it happens to someone in our family will we know about it.
Well, if we start looking at all women as our sister, who will we get married to? You shut up, man.
So what the hell are you saying we should do now?
We are the ones who ruined her life. She wanted to be the bride of Jesus, but now people are trying to eat her alive. Aren't we the ones who are responsible?
But what the hell are we supposed to do now?
I have decided.
What?
I'm going to marry her.
You want to marry her?
Riaz, try to think everything is a dream and forget it. Then try and see new dreams. Don't be such a drag.
I will forget it. But she is pregnant with a child for which we are responsible. Will you tell me how to forget that as well?
What crap, man? Is she pregnant or what? Is she going on some protest for this? Oh my god.
Huh? Dude, I have to close. What does she wants? What she'll demand?
You don't have to think so much. That is exactly why I said I will marry her.
Dude, Riaz, don't be so stupid, man.
I thought a lot to arrive at this decision. I want to give her a life.
It's not that, dude. All three of us used her. We don't know even who is the father of the child. There is nothing more embarrassing. Why don't you just let this go?
I do not need anyone's approval. I said I'll marry her and that's it. I want to undo my mistakes and protect her.
Oh God, please save us. God, please save us all. God, save us all. Thank you, Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, save us all.
Sushila? Sushila?
Shit. Why you're not letting us eat our food also? Who is that now? Why you came in this time now?
I wanted to talk to Anita, please.
Why the hell you came to see her in this time now?
I wanted to tell her something.
Are you drunk now? How dare you come to talk to her in this night after drinking? If you want to see her and talk to her, do it in the morning. Now you can go. You can come tomorrow. I am telling you only. Get lost. Idiots.
Where the hell were you? Drinks all night and come home drunk. Do you even care if I'm dead or alive? What's wrong with you? Are you sick?
Nothing.
The food must have gone cold now. I'll heat it up. Go to bed after warm dinner, okay?
I don't want anything.
Do you know I waited for you on empty stomach? I starve all evening because you're the only one I have. But obviously you don't care.
What are you doing here, Riaz?
I need to speak to you about something.
What?
I want to marry you.
For that, you need even my permission. Oh, I forgot. You don't usually ask permission.
I feel very bad about whatever happened.
I don't need your sympathy. Don't you dare think even my life is over here. I will make a life for myself.
Then we shall live together.
Let's not, Riaz. If somebody comes along who can understand my situation, and if I like him too, maybe I'll marry him too. Who knows, I might end up living alone. Whatever happens, I'm sure about one thing. I don't want you can go. Please get away, Riaz.